Yo, what is up, guys? What's happening? I'm a boss. Listen, I'm a boss. Now it's raining today. Let's go check out how bad it is.
What's up, guys?
Christian and me, CNA Nation, back at it again. It was another video.
You can actually hear it. Can you shut the door? Look at that. I already made a puddle on my... Bro. Look at all of that. And it's about to rain even harder. If y'all can hear that, that is very loud. Not that loud, but look. That is awesome.
And guys, I'm sorry about the bad news, but we're still gonna make these videos. I'm sorry. Alright, guys, we're gonna keep making videos. I'm sorry that I made bad news. It was a misunderstanding, guys. But because we didn't have any subscribers, I'm like, shit, we should just quit YouTube. But even we came back to YouTube, and hey, here we are now. What's up? We're like cheesy dibble.
Okay. God, there's a car coming. You can't see it, but it's gonna come in a little bit. It's gonna... There it is.
I didn't know that.
Climbing magician. Huh? Cause I saw it from down there.
Alright, guys, I want to become a rapper a little. I'll make some videos rapping diss tracks. Comment down who y'all want me to roast for anyone. If I hate the person and you hate them, then I'll probably roast. And then, guys, on one of them, Christian. Guys, I gotta tell Christian something. Christian.
What?
I gotta ask you a question.
What?
Christian.
What?
Can we film at WWE?
There's a car. Kind of looks like a person from here.
Bro, can we?
Yeah. Alright, guys, that is the vlog. Peace.
But we don't